this is Nabila with WPVR, and today I'll show you how you can create a virtual car showroom in your WordPress website. So let's get right into it. Before we move on to creating a virtual car showroom on our own, you'll need to activate WPVR Free and Pro plugin into your WordPress dashboard. I've already installed and activated it in mine, and let me show you how a complete virtual car showroom tour looks before we create one from scratch. So this is a virtual car showroom tour with all the elements that one needs. I'm going to create one similar to this one. All right, so let's go back to our backend, and what you have to do is you have to click on add new tour and you have to give it a title. Now let's give a scene ID. Here you have to upload the 360 panoramic image of your car showroom to create a virtual tour. Here's the image of car showroom tour that I am going to create. Once you upload it, just simply preview it. And now you can see the basic virtual car showroom tour has been created. Now let's move on and add a hotspot. Hotspots are precise pointers that will let you add details into your virtual tour, pinpointing on a specific elements. All right. So in this virtual tour, I'm going to add a hotspot to this car. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, and here you can see a pitch and yaw has appeared. So this is the coordinates of this specific place. All right, so I'm gonna click on it, and you can see that clicking on the arrow will let me copy the pitch and yaw automatically into my pitch and yaw fields. Let's give a hotspot ID, and you can add any on-click content or on-hover content you want. Let's add an image, and let's give some details to it. So when you're done with adding the details, just simply publish the tour. Let me show you in the front end how it looks. So this is the tour I've created before. So when I go here, you see that the hotspot has appeared as an on-hover content. Now let's move back, and let me show you another hotspot. Here's another hotspot with the image of the car and some basic details. When you go there, there's another hotspot. So this is how you can add different hotspots into your virtual tour. So let's move back to our backend. Here you can check the hotspot in the backend as well. Okay. Now let's move on and add a contact form into your virtual tour. All right. Contact form will let your potential customers schedule a test drive, or maybe an online meeting, or even a face-to-face meeting with you. For that, you'll need to add the hotspot type as Fluent Forms hotspot. You'll need to have the Fluent Form plugin activated into your WordPress dashboard, along with the Fluent Forms add-on with WPVR as well. So let's move on and add a hotspot ID. Let's say contact, and I'm going to add the hotspot in this section. You'll need to add the hotspot the same way you added the info type hotspot. And let's update it. And let me show you in the front end. So here's the hotspot. All right, I've added the on-hover content as contact now. So when I click on it, here's the contact form that will let my clients contact me, or maybe they're gonna tell me any special requests they have. You can add any content you want in your contact form. Let's move on and let me show you some other special details. In WPVR Pro plugin, there are some advanced features. So you have to go to the General tab and click Advanced Controls. So here are some WPVR features that will help you create an engaging virtual experience for your clients. You can enable this feature from the Advanced Controls of this General tab. Alright, so here are the advanced options here. Scene gallery, tour background music, explainer video, company information, zoom preferences, compass, anything you want. So I'll add the documentation in the description box. Don't forget to check these out. Let's move on and add two advanced options in our virtual tour. I'll add the explainer video option and the company information. Let's first add the explainer video into our virtual tour. Explainer videos can be used to show your potential clients what cars you recommend, or whether your showroom have these cars. You can explain anything you want and add the video into your virtual tour. Alright, so let me show you how you can do that. What you have to do is you have to enable this explainer video option and add the iframe code of the video that you want to add to your virtual tour. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a YouTube video. So let's say I'm going to add this video, alright? So I'm going to click on share, embed, copy the iframe code, then move back and paste this iframe code into my iframe field. Now you have to go to the control buttons tab and enable this explainer option, and then the explainer video icon will appear in your virtual tour. So once you do that, you just have to update the tour, and here's how it looks. You can see this is the explainer video option. So when I click on this is the explainer video that appears. So when I play it, I can do that and take the tour at the same time. And this is it. Now let's move on and add another advanced option. For this, I'm gonna go back and add this new advanced option, which is the add company information. This will let you brand your company. All right. Branding is super important because it will let you relate to your client with a more personalized touch. Here I'm gonna add some company details. All right, let me add some simple details. And let's add a logo. I'm going to add the WPVR logo here. Once you're done, you just have to update it. And now the logo will be updated to your tour as well. So let's go back. Here's the company information that we added. When you click on it, you get the details that you've added on the back end. So these are the advanced options that will make your tour more engaging, and your viewers will be able to take the tour and book a car or maybe do a meeting with you, whatever you want your clients to experience. This is it, guys. This is how you can easily create a virtual car showroom using WPVR. I'll see you in one of my next videos.